Today, we'll be making an AirTag holder together. I'll be providing the pattern for free, so feel free to follow along and create your own. Cut out the pattern I've provided. For the leather strap, as shown in the video, skive both ends to thin them out. Insert the leather strap into the slit. Then secure the ends of the strap with glue. Apply glue to the ends of both the front and back leather pieces, then press them firmly together. If you plan to add initials to the back, I recommend doing it now before you start stitching. Before stitching, add an eyelet, mark a creaser line on the edge of the leather, and punch stitching holes along the creaser line. Use pins to hold the front and back leather pieces in place, so they don't move. Once everything is pinned down, go ahead and finish the stitching. After finishing the stitching, apply edge coat. I usually apply 2 coats of clear edge coat first, then finish with an edge paint that matches the leather color. Once the edge coat is dry, spray a little water on the leather and shape it. Wrap the AirTag to keep it dry, then leave the leather to dry for about a day. And we're done. It turned out beautifully. Just slip the AirTag in and you're all set. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be sharing more great videos, so don't forget to like and subscribe.